I'm Nikki from Ecl-ips, and this video is going to show you how easy it is to find an individual of interest very, very quickly. So we're going to go to the recorded button, and we're then going to go to the appearance search. And I know that we're looking for a male, and they had a blue top on, and they were loitering around our grounds on the 13th of November in the morning. I'm just going to change the timeline and the date line here, and then we're going to press search. So with this we get a series of thumbnails, but I need to extend the search, so I'm just going to extend the timeline, and then we'll get another series of thumbnails come up. And very quickly and easily we have the perpetrator here with a blue top on. So we're going to star one of the images, which will then be shown on the left hand side, and you have a facial recognition image there as well. This will stay on your system. In this area here you can see a red box that denotes a person, and the green box around the face actually indicates the facial recognition. So thank you for listening. That's Nikki from Ecl-ips. Please visit our website for more information. Thank you.